Are you unsure of what signs to look for on a worn timing belt? We explain it all here. Ticking noises from the engine. A worn belt can make a ticking sound as it deteriorates. Engine misfires. A slipping belt throws off engine timing, resulting in misfires. Oil leaks. Leaks from the timing cover area can weaken the belt, shortening its lifespan. A check engine light. A faulty belt or tensioner can trigger engine error codes. High mileages. Most manufacturers recommend replacement between 60,000 and 100,000 miles, or every 5 to 7 years. Always check your vehicle's owner's manual for specific intervals. Waiting for your timing belt to snap can result in serious engine damage. Heed the warning signs and get it done before it's too late. Only source your replacement parts from trusted OE and aftermarket parts manufacturers like GMB. For more information, click the link below.